Hi subscribers, hope you're doing well. And yeah, this is me, Vasan Shanmugam. And this video is about the tools. And the reason I'm talking about the tools, I mean, mainly we are into more into performance testing. And it's not about just about performance testing, but for any platform that you work, no matter what, it can be an automation, it can be a DevOps, it can be a cloud platform. So no matter what, selecting the right tools is very important. And the reason I'll tell you, yesterday I had some work. I have to clean my garden, and for that I have few tools to do that. So what happened was, that was my first day, I should say. That was my first day of gardening, so I struggled a lot with that. So the challenge was, I was not able to choose the right tools, and I will say how. So for cutting the grass, I was using heavy machinery like a kind of a branch cutter, and for cutting a branch, I was using the grass cutter, the big scissor, what they use. So then suddenly I realized, okay, so I'm not using the right tool for the right work. And then I understood, okay, so to make anything happen or to complete something successful, the first task, or I would say the very first step, is to choose the right tool. Because if you're not using the right tool, you are not going to accomplish the thing, you're not going to complete the activity that you have picked up. So no matter what, again, for selecting the tool, you must understand the requirement. Yes, so for example, for the grass cutter, so firstly the requirement is to cut the grass. So to cut the grass, I should have used a kind of a grass cutter or a kind of a mowing machine, but instead I was using a different machine. Yeah, I know the branch cutter was so powerful, but what happened is, the strength or the power of it did not allow the grass to even stay near it, because it was like giving some air pressure, and no grass was like near it. And I was supposed to cut a wire near that. So you might prone to do mistakes if you're not selecting the right tool. So the first thing is, do your requirement analysis properly. So once you do your requirement analysis, create a dashboard or create a kind of a checklist, and make sure that which tool suit your needs. Because if you are not selecting the right tool, then you will definitely face the challenge which I have faced yesterday for the garden maintenance. Yes, but when it comes to the real world, yeah, in terms of the tooling, so please do think about the tooling twice before you even start doing it. Because, but anyways, I really have, I have friends, and then I have checked out with them, and then I have chosen, I went to their home, I picked up the right tool, and then I did the proper gardening. But yeah, it is not still completed, but yeah. But at least I was able to understand that, okay, makes what is supposed to be used. So that's what I'm saying here again, because now we are talking about the UI performance testing for the last few sessions. Many of the people have asked, why should not I use Neoload, or why should not I use JMeter and LoadRunner, a very powerful tool? Why should not I use that? Yes, I understand they are powerful tool, they are open source, they are made available for a long time in the market, but they are not the right tool to do the UI performance testing. Sorry, it's too sweaty. So the right tool to do the performance testing, starting with the Lighthouse, GT Matrix. So there are like several other tools. So just pick up the right tool for your right action. So that's what I mean. That's what I was about to tell you today. So the core idea here is, collect the requirement, make sure you are choosing the right tool for what you're doing, because that will save you a lot of time and effort, and even a lot of money as well. And you are not prone to do any errors. You won't cut any wires which are supposed to be electrical wires, and gut pipes. So I was like, within the hairline shift, hairline difference, I was about to cut a gutter pipe. So all these things you can avoid, all these mistakes you won't be doing it if you're choosing the right tools. Or choosing the tool is very, very important. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm currently posting videos on UI performance testing. So if you're someone who is interested to learn more about UI performance testing, again, it's completely different. It's not just like our normal web performance testing that we do, like where we collect the response times, where we collect the throughput, the hits per second. This metrics, I mean, you will definitely, you're going to open new doors. They are like completely different. They are not the normal metrics that we collect during our performance testing. So please do watch the video. They are definitely gonna blow your mind, and thank me later. So watch all the videos. I'm even creating a GitHub repo where I'm listing down what are all the activities, what are the commands that we have to use for the testing. So that will definitely help you a lot. And in fact, it's not just only about CLI, and it's not just about only browser. It also integrates with your CI/CD pipeline. So just imagine, before you even send the application to production, and you are someone who is able to produce results in both the server side and client side, just imagine how much value you are going to add to your team, how much value you are going to add to your business. And that definitely is gonna open a big role in your career as well. So thank you so much. With that, I come to an end of this video. Choose the right tool, get the requirement correctly, and wish you all the very success. Thank you. See you all very soon. Take care and bye bye.